Welcome back to the nightcap. Today will be a Derby tradition. We're going to have the Mint Julep for the 150th running of the Kentucky Derby. Don't let this scare you away. Go ahead, get your Derby party together, all your friends, make this, subscribe, share with everybody. You're going to have a delicious drink. Simple process. Ice, half an ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of bourbon, mint, and we're done. If you have a Mint Julep glass, let's go ahead and use it. The metal on there keeps it cold. So what we're going to do first is we're going to throw mint in there. Kind of slap it up a bit and throw it in. I have about 9 leaves of mint in there. And then we're going to put the simple syrup, which is again half an ounce on top of there. We're going to muddle it. So we muddle it with the simple syrup in there, so that way it'll start to break down the mint. And we're not trying to tear the mint apart. We're just trying to get all the oils out. Get it express in there, and you get a nice syrupy substance in the bottom of that. You can start smelling the mint everywhere. So there we go. Muddled it down. Now throw in the ice. We're just going to throw in a little bit, not much, because you all know me, I like to cool down the bourbon a little bit. So let's do 2 ounces of bourbon going on top of some of that ice and on top of all of that mint and simple syrup down at the bottom. So we have 2 ounces of Blade and Bow bourbon right in there. And we're going to throw in more ice. And this is when you start really filling it up. Fill up the glass. You're going to have lots and lots of ice. Even if it overfills a little bit and falls out, you're okay. So there we are. We're going to give it a stir. You're going to stir it a lot. Again, it's going to be a little mess because you need a lot of ice in there. Get it going in. You'll see that this glass is starting to freeze up. There we go. The mint is completely stealing the show with the smell. And we're going to garnish it with a little mint. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.